What's up, guys? It's Alyssa and I'm back relaunching the page. You know, I'm giving you beauty and all things life here on my channel. Today I did a glam look. I'm going to show you what palettes I use, what makeup products, and stay tuned. So I'm going in this brown color right here for my transition, and we're going to pack it on the outside, going in. And I slightly move up and gradually like lifting or not applying as much pressure, going inward because we want it to naturally be darker on the outside. We will get on the inside of the eye as well. And then I slightly raise the brush higher and higher as I go so that the intensity fades as it goes up into the brow bone. I cannot stand people who do eyeshadow and the color's going all the way up to the brow bone. No, honey, leave some space so that you can put some highlight there, or it just doesn't look natural when you have color all the way up into your brows. Like, I need to be able to see the separation between your brow and the eyeshadow. Please do that. This is where we're gonna go back for Old Faithful. Our concealer, placing a little bit on our hand. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to take rounded brush again. Actually, no, I'm gonna take one of these like little sponge brushes, you know, the type you used to get when you're a little girl. This one. And this is what I'm going to semi-cut the crease with. And when I say semi, it's because you're not doing a definite like hard line for your cut crease. You're just doing it or applying concealer onto your eye so that the foundation or the shade actually of eyeshadow appears on your lid. .35V palette, and this shimmery pink champagne color is what we're going to actually put in the inner corner, not the very tiny portion of the inner corner, but where we don't have concealer, and then it's going to fade into the portion where we just laid concealer. I'm going to go here, and as I do it, this is where I'm making the cut crease portion. Use the faces I make when I'm doing my makeup, because I really be going in. Nobody be looking crazy. So that's how that is looking right now. And we're gonna bring it in. When you're blending shades, I think it's always okay for you to bring it in further than what you actually needed the color to go. That way, so it's easier to blend into the next shade, and you won't have to go back and like constantly apply that color and try and make it show up. Another flat rounded brush. And we're going to pack it with this This one you might need just a little bit of water or something on your brush. Yeah, baby, it's nothing but fallout. It is not. I really had hope for this palette. I really did. The swatch, okay, so this same palette comes in like a rectangular shape and it has like maybe 20 shades in it. in Ulta. And then they had an option. I'm trying to do another change, y'all. See, do y'all see all this fallout? It's just all over. Oh, I can't do it. I can't. So it's enough for me. It's enough for me, dog. I'm trying this color here. Let's see. It looks like it's picking up more on my brush, so maybe it's just the formula. Okay, it is showing up. It's not giving me exactly what I want. I'm trying to see if I have any spray around, and I don't. So I wet my brush just a little bit, and hopefully it works because I really like this color. I really do. I can get it back open. Devil is busy today. Okay, brush is semi-wet. Let's see if we get some more pickup. Please. Look at Doodle Beat. It's not looking good, y'all. It's not. I really gave it all I could. I really gave it all I could. And I'm getting a purple matte shade here, and this is in the Artsy palette. And I'm putting this in my corner, blending in with that red, but not too much. Okay, so I'm back, and we have both eyes done. Cute. We're about to go into our foundation. We already have our face prime, so I'm going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 368. Go into the ear with it. Now, ooh. Once again, that is the Madeline Fit Me foundation. It's cheap, get you some, girl. I've been rocking with it for maybe 2 years now, and I used to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and it's like $27. No, college students are on a budget. This is like $5.99, sis, get you some. Now that we have covered that area, time to really see if this color pop is what the move is. So here. So you'll see that I haven't blended it all the way out, so it has like this halo looking effect. My eyes always get watery at this point. I let this sit for a little bit just so like the color deposits, and then I'll continue to blend it out because I want it to show dimension within my face, but I don't want it to look too flat. So I'll let this sit for just a moment. I won't necessarily go to baking yet, but I can definitely see that it's made a difference in my face. And then I'll go in like now and really diffuse the edges as well as blend this up. So let's round it out. And I'm also going to go in with my black opal powder in dark and bake, but I won't let mine sit. I got this tip actually from a MAC consultant. It's not always necessary for you to sit there and bake, or regardless of how good the powder is, sometimes it will leave like a cast and nobody wants to have like a ghost face in their shadow. But instead, I lightly get my foundation brush or another similar brush that has like the, you know, fluffy top. Shake it just a little bit and dust it over. Like I'll pat it on, like so. And then dust it over the shape where I put concealer. Like so. Shake. Let's get into this highlight though. This is the biggest, excuse me, this is the biggest tip I can ever give anybody. Get you this palette like I showed y'all before, Juvia's Place. Honey, these are the highlights for brown girls like us. These will get you right. My go-to is this shade over here. Honey, we are glowing today. Yes, we are. And blend out the highlight a little bit as well. Because you don't want just streaks on your face, you know? It's not cute. Like makeup is a game. You have to go back and forth until you get the consistency or color you like. So go back even more once we've blended. There we go. Finger again into that color. I'm going to go. Oh, come on, babe. Need I say anymore?